Hello students, today we are going to learn about lines and angles part 2. In part 1 we learnt about lines, and in this chapter we are going to learn about angles. In geometry, two rays sharing a common endpoint form an angle. The common endpoint is called the vertex and the two rays are called the arms of the angle. Angle is measured in degrees. Classification of angles. Angles are classified according to their measures. Zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle. Let us learn about them one by one. Zero angle. When two arms of an angle overlap each other, the angle formed between them is zero angle. Acute angle. An angle which measures between 0 degrees and 90 degrees is called an acute angle. Right angle. An angle which measures 90 degrees is called a right angle. Obtuse angle. An angle which measures more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called an obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle which measures 180 degrees is called a straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle which measures more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is called a reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle in which one of the arms takes a full round and overlaps with the other arm again is called a complete angle. These are the real life examples of angles. One straight angle is equal to two right angles. One complete angle is equal to four right angles.